Oh, what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Joey Z. It's been a while, bro. I haven't been on YouTube in over a year for sure. Yeah, I got a lot of explaining to do as far as where I've been, what I've been up to, why I haven't been making content. It's early in the morning, bro. It's a cloudy, ugly day outside right now. It's not even focusing, but you get the gist of it. But yeah, bro, look at me. I don't even know how to hold the camera no more. But anyways, to sum things up, the car is completely different. It looks different. I think the last video I ever made was when I was going to Cars and Coffee, and I actually was in the Beamer. That was sometime last year. I don't even remember, to be honest. It's been a while. So the reason why I wasn't on YouTube for that whole period of time that I wasn't, I actually, you know, as you guys know, I was doing detailing and I was taking that very seriously. I just never took the next step as far as starting my own business in regards to detailing, which is something I'm actually in the works with right now. But anyways, I ended up going to school actually and getting my CDL license to drive tractor trailer, you know. So I was doing that. I was busy. I don't even know how to hold the camera no more, bro. I need a exposure, crazy. Anyways, I ended up doing that for a while, you know what I'm saying? So I took a step back from YouTube so I could really focus on getting my CDL. So I wasn't posting as much, even on my social medias in general. I got busy, and I really just put all my time and focus into getting that. And then once I did get it, I was working, man. This whole last year I just been working, stacking up money and doing what I gotta do. You know what I mean? So not that I put YouTube to the back burner, but I did, in other words, because it's not, you know, I didn't have as much time to dedicate myself to it. But now I'm back, man. And the car looks completely different. I can't wait to update y'all on that. There's big things coming. But before I even get into my car and all the stuff I've done to it, let me just tell y'all what we're getting into today, man. We about to take a trip to RT Tuning. If you guys been watching my YouTube channel for a while, which I hope y'all have been, you know my YZ that I previously had caught on fire. They're actually the ones that tuned in, did all the work to that car. Yeah, so we're taking the trip over there today because my dad Z, I don't even think I threw it on the channel too much. I think I have, but my pop Z is full bolts on now. Got everything you could do possibly, full bolts on. You know, simple bolt-ons, that is. As far as long tube headers, you know, wide pipe exhaust, test pipes, full exhaust, everything ISR. So he's throwing it on the dyno, want to see what it puts up. So yeah, man, let's take this trip, and along the way I'll probably pick the camera up here and there if I see something cool. It's an ugly day outside, bro. It's a pretty ugly day. I don't even really want to flip the camera and show you the car yet, because I'd rather give y'all a full update. The car looks completely different. I'm pretty sure you guys that watch my channel already have me on social media. So man, let me just stop talking. Let's get into it. Let's get start for the boys one time. Yo, so we almost there, man. I had to make a pit stop. Bring my girl some breakfast from Wawa. But yeah, man, we almost there. GPS says I'm like 25 minutes away. Alright, yeah, but we're here at RT Tuning right now. Got the GTR. My dad's car's on the dyno already. We heard them do like 1 or 2 pulls, but they were just base pulls. I don't think they started actually tuning the car yet. But look, man, we got Booster Z right here. Bunch of Z's, man, bunch of Z's. I'm gonna see if they let me go inside the shop. We're not supposed to walk back behind this point, but the inside of the actual shop itself is dope, man. Yes, I'll get as much footage as I can. AMG, Camaro, there it goes, GTR. Oh yeah, this is RT Tuning shop car right here. 400 Z. I did? Yeah. Oh, it's automatic or stick?
Stick shift.
You guys on my car, I mean, if you follow me on Instagram, which you already should be doing, I have posted many pictures and videos. Damn, the camera doesn't actually pick up the color of my car. But yeah, man, I went ahead and wrapped it. It's from the Rapid Blue. It's a Rapid Blue C8. Rapid Blue from the new C8, but it's wrapped, it's not paint. I don't know why the camera's not really picking up the color. I'm not sure because if it's the weather right now outside, but yeah, man, I'm super hyped with the way it came out. Shout out to my boy Chris, CF Vinyls, he killed it, man. He always does. Yeah, man, I got full carbon fiber Amuse wing. I went ahead and got the Amuse side skirts. The car looked like it was missing something. It's raining, it's a little dirty out, so the car is not really looking clean, but carbon fiber ducts as well. Carbon fiber intakes. Carbon fiber front lip, man. My head's all over the place. Oh, I guess they're taking that back to get worked on. Yeah, look at that, John. That looks sick right there. Let me zoom in.
And look at how much longer the GTR is compared to our cars.
Mm-hmm. The body lines are similar.
Yep, that's what I said.
But yeah, we here at RT Tuning. Like I just said in the last clip, we're gonna hopefully get I'm gonna see if I can ask the guys inside if we could walk around the shop, the back of the shop. I know we're probably not allowed, but they are gonna let us watch the car on the dyno. But yeah, man. Yes, sir. So there's the Z as it sits. I try to give you guys a quick run around of the stuff I've done to it, but it's been like a year since I posted on the YouTube channel. But yeah, like I was saying, I put the Amuse side skirts. I got the Morimoto headlights now too, because me and my dad ended up doing my headlights ourselves, and they came out good, but the one I guess we didn't seal 100%, and it was getting like condensation inside of the headlights, so I went ahead and got the Morimoto headlights, which these headlights changed the car a lot. Hold the camera real quick, Jake. I have my brother hold the camera. I'll show you guys the headlights. Other than that, I can't really think of nothing. I can't really think of nothing else that I've done to the car other than you see everything. It's wrapped. It looks completely different. You guys seen the video of me getting it retuned already. But yeah, I'm gonna start coming back with some regular uploads.
It's some E85.
Yeah, put some E85 in it. We're just chilling here at RT Tuning still. My dad's car is still on the dyno. I don't think they started. They just been doing some baseline pulls. They haven't actually started tuning the car yet. But yeah, man. So I just figured I'd give you guys a quick rundown again of what's actually done to the car since the last time you guys seen it. That's how it sits right now. Let me know what you guys think about the 400Z, because when you watch, you'll see when you walk back there if it's still the same from the last time I was here. Yeah, man, this place is dope, bro. Dope. My bad, I'm not that loud. It's like extra quiet in here. Look, they show you how the suspension works. They got bags, coils. These are the same coilovers on my car, the KWV3.
I thought it was BCs.
Nah, BC. These are BCs right here too. They got wheels. They got the RPF ones, the Rays.
Like
these nice. Yeah, hell yeah. These are sick, right? These gotta be like by 11.
Wow, that's a nice wheel.
Yeah, bro, this shop is dope. You mind if I record it, bro?
Just kind of to get license plates.
Alright, I got you. Damn, that thing is clean.
Is that their car? Is that car or something?
Dope.
Stints depending on the race weekend.
Wow.
But yeah, they have a team of guys. They all wanted to race, and they share the seat time basically. So it's a 12-hour race. You get in it for 2 hours. You get in it for 2 hours. You get in it for 2 hours. I get in for 2 hours, and then we start over again.
Wow, that's cool, man.
Yeah. Racing's very, very, very
Back. About to get a special view of the car on the dyno, man. Let's see. Let's see about to shoot some lean. Hell yeah. This shit sounds crazy. Yo, I'm gonna call you right back, bro. Damn. Yeah, the car's all done. We're about to head out. We're about to head out from here. So thank you for tuning into that video, a little quick video I had to put out. I know it's been a while since I dropped videos, but like I mentioned in the beginning, there was a lot going on. Even now, man, me and my girl just moved into a new apartment, so there's just been a lot going on. Like right now I'm recording this outro, but that video I recorded was like, I don't know, maybe over a month, about a month ago, and I just had a lot going on, but I'm gonna get consistent with the uploads and the drops. I got this video I'm dropping, today's Saturday. Y'all should be seeing the video tomorrow, Sunday. I'll probably have it up. I will have it up tomorrow. Then the banger video, man, when I was at Race Motive, that'll be out Wednesday. I was thinking about dropping it Sunday or Monday as well, but you know, football going on right now, everybody watching football, so I'll drop the video Wednesday. So, you know, not everybody's busy watching other stuff. You come out of work, you got a video to watch, you know, but like I said, thank y'all for tuning in. The videos are gonna get better. I'm gonna get more consistent with my uploads. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It wasn't really much going on. We just took my dad's car to get tuned. I noticed after I edited the video, I didn't mention the horsepower his car made. I'll leave that up to my dad if he wants to. You know, obviously it's nothing crazy. It made good power for being on motor for sure. With the mods he had on it, it made good power. And if you know the Z's, if you guys have been following me for a while, my white Z was bolt-on tune at RT, and it was just bolt-ons. And my car put the power down great. My white Z only made 328, and that thing I was keeping up, no lie, man. I got videos to prove it. I was keeping up with 400 wheel horsepower cars, 380. You know, the car puts the power down. But anyways, before I keep talking, make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all subscribe to your boy, man. The videos is coming out. I got an even better video coming out this week. This was just something to get out there, get back into it, update y'all where I've been and what's been going on in my life. But the videos are gonna get better, man, and stay tuned for the next drops. Like I said, Wednesday.
Off the muscle, from the dirt in the muscle, that's right off the arm. Vest in the seats, trying to start me a farm. This and now when it blows, gonna sound like a bomb. Stuck in the store, I'ma be here for long. If no place being made, then I'm making a song. Jeff out when the box go.